Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we are going to learn how to draw a flamingo. If you don't know how a flamingo looks, then quickly Google it and see. Let's quickly start. In few steps we'll draw it. So first we are going to make the wing for the flamingo. Then we'll make the body with straight line, and then first we have to draw the neck. Flamingo has a big neck. Then we'll join the body with the wing. Then we'll draw a beak and the eyes. Let's add feathers and a beautiful tail for our flamingo. Flamingo is standing in 1 feet and it's standing on the water. Color it with a bright beautiful color with a baby pink or with a beautiful pink shade. Let's add some grass, the water, and complete our scenery. So you can color it like this as shown in this picture. And what you need to do, you need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.